Hello everyone, welcome to Vishnu IAS. Today we are going to see another recent current affairs about Char Dham project. Actually, SE has ordered to center to adhere to the ministry circular on roads in the Char Dham project. Okay, so this will come in your GS3 paper. This is related to your environment and ecology. Okay, by Vishnu IAS team, we'll see it in detail now. First, you should know about Char Dham project. Actually, this project it is aimed to ensure the better connectivity to the pilgrimage centers in Uttarakhand. Okay, so Char is four, so it is connecting the four pilgrimage centers. Okay, so it involves the developing and widening the 900-kilometer national highways that is connecting the four Hindu pilgrimage sites, okay, holy Hindu pilgrimage sites at Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri and Yamunotri. Okay, so we are going to see about this project. This Char Dham program, it is an initiative to improve the connectivity to the Char Dham pilgrimage centers. The Char Dham pilgrimage centers are Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath. You can see here. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath. Okay, so these four ancient pilgrimage sites, this is in Uttarakhand, these are known as the Chota Char Dham to differentiate from the bigger circuit of the modern day Char Dham sites. So modern day Char Dham sites in Badrinath, Dwarka, Puri and Rameshwaram. Okay, so these four ancient pilgrimage sites in Uttarakhand, okay, they are going to be get connected through this project, okay, to improve the connectivity on this to this four pilgrimage centers in the Himalayas, okay, is the project. So these projects are being implemented by the executive agencies. Okay, this project is being implemented by the three executive agencies of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Okay, so the three executing agencies are Uttarakhand State PWD, Border Road Organization BRO, National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, okay, NHIDCL. So these are the three executing agencies of the Ministry of Road and Transport Highways. So they are going to implement this. The objective of this project is to provide the roads with paved shoulders, that is to provide the roads with pathways along the road too. Okay, so pathways, and also to make the provisions for the landslide mitigation are the steps which we are taking before some disaster happens. Okay, prevention steps. Okay, so to make the provisions for landslide mitigation and other road safety measures. So this will provide the road connectivity on all weather. So it will provide all weather road connectivity for these four pilgrims and for the movement of the defense forces. So hence the objective of this project is to provide all weather road connectivity for the pilgrims and also for the movement of defense forces. So all weather road connectivity for pilgrims and for the movement of defense forces. So recently what happened is SC has ordered to center to adhere to the ministry circular on roads in this Char Dham project. Okay, SC has ordered the center to adhere to the union ministry to adhere to the circular of the Union Road Ministry, okay, of March 2018. So what is the details regarding this circular is this circular is having has advised against building the full-fledged roads, okay, and cutting down the Himalayan slopes during the implementation of this 12,000 crore project. Okay, so the circular has advised against building the full-fledged roads cutting across the fragile Himalayan slopes, first thing. And second is the bench has also directed the government to undertake the reforestation of the area, since because of the construction there may deforestation happens, right? So the bench has also directed the government to undertake the reforestation of the area, so in order to make up with the loss of the trees and the loss of the green cover. Okay, during the construction there was a loss of trees and loss of green cover in this area. So in order to make up with that, the bench has directed the government to undertake the reforestation of this area. So that is the main thing about SC's ruling. So let's see in detail. So the Supreme Court has ordered the center to adhere to the Union Ministry Union Road Ministry Circular of March 2018. Okay, SC has ordered center to adhere to the circular. And the circular, what is the circular? It has advised against building full-fledged roads and cutting across the fragile Himalayan slopes. Okay, so it is against building a full-fledged roads, cutting across the fragile Himalayan slopes during the implementation of this 12,000 crore ambitious Char Dham project. And the bench has also directed to the government to undertake the re-afforestation. This is must. Okay, they have directed to undertake re-afforestation of the area. Why they are asking to take up this step? Because in order to make up the loss of the green cover caused by the construction. Okay, you can see the roads of those areas and how the construction is taking place. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, click on like button and do share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Do subscribe our channel and join our Telegram channel to get info about the daily current affairs and to get the value added materials. Thank you.